So this is a sewer inspection for 59 Venezia Court in Altadena, California. And right now I've already pushed the camera inside the sewer, and the camera is at the end of the homeowner's sewer where it meets the city sewer. You can see the water from the neighbours all going by there, which is that water right there. So I'm just going to slowly pull the camera back, and then if there's any issues I'll just point them out as we come back. So right here there's a change in direction, which is basically like a 90-degree turn, and you can see that there's a small amount of roots there on the left hand side, coming in through that clay connection. Actually looks like they're coming in a band or clamp right there. So this can be maintained quite easily, but they will need to be removed annually. You can see here there's a little pool of water, and that's because the pipe right here has shifted about 3/4 of an inch, so it's creating like a dam of water. This can be a problem if you use a lot of heavy toilet paper. It can get caught there, create a dam, and then it can cause a stoppage. So right here is where we install the camera. This is the sewer cleanout, which is at the side of the house, beside the shed here, and this vent, either for a furnace or a water heater. It's right around the corner here. And this cleanout's made out of 3-inch ABS.